So ever since the announcement of a brand new Masters of the Universe He-Man movie, I was like, let's go. It hit me right in the nostalgia as an 80s kid growing up. I've got a huge toy collection of this line, and why not bring 3D printing into it and let's add to it. So I hit the MakerWorld and see what I can find. So of course, starting out, I have to go to the search engine and type in MOTU, and MakerWorld never fails, honestly. It provided me with a ton of different He-Man, Skeletor, different kind of models from everything from statues to cosplay to some, paintings and all that stuff. But you know what caught my eye was this Skeletor jumbo Lego figure, and of course they also had the He-Man one too. And I'm like, all right, let's go. Let's do this. But before I want to print these guys, I want to showcase something really fast for you. This is HEI HEI. So HEI HEI is the maker, and huge shout out to the maker. Check this out. This opened up my world to a brand new collection of 3D printed figurines. These are all Lego inspired, and they don't disappoint. Not only do they have the Masters of the Universe, which I'm looking for, they've got Star Wars, which is in my wheelhouse. They have everything from DC to pop culture, even like, Seinfeld, the Minions. Check that out. If you guys get a chance, go over to HEI HEI and tell them I sent you. But you know what? Go ahead and download and try your hand at printing some of these. You will not regret it. And on MakerWorld, one of the best things in the world is that the makers could actually upload their own printer profiles. And so when you open it up into Bambu Slicing, you have everything set for you. You can just kind of, plug and play, essentially. So when bringing in the files, again, everything's kind of set for you. You can kind of go over it, make some changes on your own preferences, if you will. The only thing I did change was the speed settings. I cut everything in half. It's what I like to do. I figured longer print times, but better quality and less hassle. So check this out, guys. There is Skeletor, and of course there is the He-Man figurine. Now these do kind of, I think they're about height of about 8 inches tall. So, they're pretty beefy figurines, and you will see when we're all done. But this is a highly multicolor print, which means an AMS system is mandatory for this. Now, you could go ahead and erase all the multicolor stuff, print it out in one color, and either print it out that way or try your hand at painting these. So that is an option if you don't have the AMS systems. But, this did not disappoint when everything was getting printed. The colors are amazing. That's why I love about He-Man and Master Universe World. The colors are so vibrant and awesome that I was like, I could not wait to get into it. So I had most of these colors on hand. I printed them in PLA plastic, mostly Bambu Lab filaments. That's what I've been buying mostly because they have the cheaper refill spools. So I went ahead and just gathered the colors that I had. I did run out of filament at one point. You will see it. Still 15 years into this 3D printing lifestyle. Yes, I still haven't perfected running out of filament sometimes. Anyway, it happens. Anyway, let's send these over to the printer. So lately I've been doing a lot of projects that require a lot of post work, a lot of sanding and painting and just filler priming and rinse and repeat. So it's nice to take a project like this that over a course of a couple days, even a weekend, just some raw prints, some vibrant colors, and do some post work like the cleanup on the supports, and just make sure everything is not as rough, but just put it together, take a step back and just kind of stare at the colors and the print quality and the line work and the modeling work that goes into this, and it's a lot of fun. It's great to have both worlds, right? To do those cosplay prop replicas, that I love to do, and it takes so much time, but it's also again rewarding to just sometimes find a model, print it up, piece it together, and yeah, just live in the moment. So here they are, guys, right here. Look at them. Again, jumbo, right? They're about 8 inches tall. Look how cool this is. They look like little toys, little minifigs. Again, reimagining an 80s line into something that's recognizable. Lego. Everybody knows what Lego is. And to have like all these characters that I showed you from HEI HEI, all those characters, it'd be great to have a shelf full of these reimagined, Lego figures. From all kinds of IPs. Again, it's such a cool project to have these in hand. A great talking point. This is 3D printing, man. The 3D printing has come such a long ways, and I'm impressed every single day that I get to do this. But anyway, thank you guys for making it all the way to the end of this. This was a fun weekend build again. Getting ready for just having Masters of the Universe live action, this cool looking in the modern times. I know a lot of people are nostalgic about that 80s movie. It was cool for the times, but I've been waiting a long time for something that's high fantasy, that's not grounded. Just go in there, just have a good ride. So anyway, guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and you know what? I will see you guys on the next video.